I'm from Luxembourg. We come yesterday with an international youth camp from East Mersey, and they found it very good to come in contact with other young people.
The first time I want to go to Scotland, and now I'm here. Oh, it's really nice. See?
The Irish folk music, it's okay, but a lot of people, I don't like this sort of, Yahoo type of thing, where they think they have to roar and shout, Up until now, I'd say up until this past 2 years, maybe a year or so, a lot of people seem to think that all they had to do is sort of get a good sort of beat going and forgot completely about the song.
If I sang